The chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, Karim Khan, has lost access to his email and had his bank accounts frozen due to U.S. sanctions. This comes after the ICC issued arrest warrants for Israeli leaders over alleged war crimes. Now, ICC staff risk arrest if they enter the U.S., and NGOs are cutting ties. The sanctions also threaten anyone supporting ICC probes into U.S. or allied officials. Meanwhile, Khan has temporarily stepped down as a UN investigation into alleged sexual misconduct nears its end. He has denied the allegations, but pressure had been building from NGOs and ICC staff to step aside. Last week, Khan spoke with UN investigators in what's believed to be the final interview of the probe. It's unclear who will take over his duties, as the ICC continues high-profile investigations into the Israel-Hamas conflict and Russia's war in Ukraine.
Mga partners, mga idol, mo ni ang latest update no sa International Criminal Court nga gi-sanction ni President Trump, presidente sa USA.
Ano na kayang mangyayari sa ICC ngayon na na-implementa yung sanksyon na ipinataw ng US? May balibalita na frozen yung kanilang assets. At saka may balibalita din na parang nagsialisa na yung mga staff ng ICC dahil ayaw nilang masangkot sa gulo na pinasasangkutan ng kanilang head. Head ba yun ng ICC? Head prosecutor? Oh. At saka, take note, pinagbabawalan ang kahit sino na pwedeng tumulong sa ICC. So, may posibilidad na stop operation. O yan, gobyernong Pilipinas, napakataas ng tingin nyo sa ICC. Yan, di ba? May mga anomalya. Binaliwala nyo ang justice system ng Pilipinas in favor ng ICC. Kaya, ano na ngayon? Mapagang uwi ni Tatay Digong.
If you enjoyed this content, let us know. Like this video, share it with others who might be interested, and follow us for more.